Although there is lots of talk of Bitcoin US dollar reaching the $170,000 mark, I don't think that the month chart is showing that that is very likely at this moment in time. But let me explain. So, when we look at the January candle, which is this one, this is a January candle, we can see that it has not broached the Senkou span A level. We can also see that we have got a red future cloud just here. We have had a Tenkan-sen, Kijun-sen crossover, which is a bullish sign, admittedly. And we can also see that Chikou span is set within that price there. However, the importance is this candle here, and it definitely shows indecision. The latest candle, this one here, obviously hasn't finished forming. That's only 3 days old, or 2 days old, I should say. So we can't read anything into that. But this is the interesting candle. It's tried to break through the Senkou span A. It hasn't done so, and price has stayed within this green cloud. So let's see whether we can learn anything from the week chart. So going to the week chart, we can see that over the past 5 or 6 weeks, we have had no higher highs. We have had a slightly lower low here. We've had a candle 4 weeks ago, which was really quite bearish, which I pointed out to you in my previous video. But then the week before last, we saw a hanging man candle. So to me, although we have got still a green cloud, and we've got Tenkan-sen set over Kijun-sen, and we've got Chikou span set north of price, I think that it is likely that we're going to see a further down movement. Now, I will explain to you why, and to do that I'll dive into the day chart. And in the day chart, we can see that we've had a down move from the 11th of January to the 23rd of January. And then we saw a recovery, a 50% retracement up to this level here where Kijun-sen is set. And what does that mean? Well, let me just show you in a Fibonacci that I'll just quickly draw. So I'll go from here, this high, to this low. And I'll pull this way. Okay, so you can see it. So we can see that price came down here. It then retraced 50% up to here, and you can see that 50% just here. That's where it says 50%. So what can happen in these instances is that this move will be repeated, this downward move will be repeated after a 50% retracement. So that would mean that price could come down as far as about here, which is at around the 33,000 level. Now, I think there is a 55% chance that that will actually occur. Conversely, of course, what we may find is that price is going to go up, and it will probably first try this resistance level. But obviously that resistance level 1 would still have to be broken for it then to be able to try the next resistance level, resistance line 2. I think that has got a 45% chance. So, very briefly, I believe that Bitcoin isn't going to move up to the $170,000 mark imminently. I think it is more likely that we see a further price correction to around the $33,000. But let's see how this is going to pan out. I wish you lots of success, and please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching.